Hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And the third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of October, okay? So we will clarify the feelings and what they want from you and what is their current energy and your current energy, everything about that. Let me see. Okay, your partner's current energy right now is Capricorn. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Four of Wands. I feel like this person right now is enjoying some kind of ceremony or some kind of marriage, or they are just trying to be stable in their life. Four of Wands energies of celebration with, mostly it is with partner or marriage or some kind of, love card. But right now in this condition, I feel like this person right now is celebrating something with someone, okay? Might be with the family, might be with colleagues, might be with there can be anything that they're celebrating right now, but right now this person is in celebration mood. Okay, let me clarify the Four of Wands in their current energy. Let me see what is happening. Two of Wands and the Two of Pentacles is under Lovers, so good. They have decided something which they were very confused about, and they are feeling lots of love for someone. They are highly attracted about to someone. Okay, now I'm getting that this person right now, this person's current energy right now is of waiting for someone with whom they are ready to settle down and ready to get married and ready to have a committed relationship with them. Okay, they are waiting for someone. This person is right now waiting for someone. Okay, they have taken a decision. This person has taken a decision and they are waiting for the right time for decision to for this decision to become true. Okay, they are just waiting for the ships to arrive. They were juggling from a very long time. They were very confused, but now this struggle has ended. They have taken a decision regarding a love situation in their life. So Capricorn, I feel like this person right now is very highly attracted towards you, or with might be somebody else. I have to clarify the feelings and want for you particularly, but this person right now have taken a decision that they are going to marry this person regarding love. It could be a Gemini that they are dealing with right now, or they have decided that they are going to get married to this particular person, or they are going to get a commitment from this particular person whomsoever they are very highly attracted to. This person is highly attracted to somebody and they are in deep love. This is the Lovers card is of lust as well and love as well, so it is like a mixture of both. So they have taken a decision that in the near future, in the future, they are going to get married to this particular person. Okay, that is their current energy. Okay, what is happening with your current energy? Let's see, Capricorn. Your current energy right now is Devil. Could be dealing with another Capricorn here. This is definitely your energy. You're obsessed. You're obsessed. You are being very possessive. You are right now in a very toxic energy or toxic relationship, or there's something very negative about in your environment right now, in your energy right now. This something or this someone is highly attractive. This someone is addictive. Okay, you are addicted to somebody, or you are addicted to someone or something. It could be alcohol, it could be anything that you are addicted to right now, but you are not able to come out of the situation. You know it is toxic. You know it is toxic, and you know it is not working in your favor at all. But still you are addicted. You are so much addicted to this thing that you are not able to come out of this. No matter how hard you are trying to do that, you are not able to do that. This is your current energy, the Devil. Let me clarify the Devil for you in your current energy. It could be third party situation as well, that you are attracted to two people at the same time. you are addicted to somebody, even if you are, committed to somebody else. There's certain kind of situation that is not at all healthy and happy. Okay, let me see. Queen of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. You're hiding your true feelings, your true emotions. You're hiding your true feelings, your true emotions from somebody or from yourself. It might also be possible. This is like concealing your feelings, hiding your true emotions, and taking baby steps. Taking baby steps towards something or someone, and you are being very very defensive, cold, off, and detached, very very cold, off, and detached because of this addictive nature, because of this negativity, this toxicity. You are not able to decide anything. That's why you are shutting down, shutting yourself off when it is connected to some kind of love relationship or love situation. You are just shutting yourself down. You are taking you're standing your ground, and you are being very very defensive. You are behaving out of your character right now, Capricorn. This is not your character, this is not your nature, but you are doing this because you have certain kind of obsessiveness about something or someone, okay? And you are not able to come out of that. You're trying your best to cut out all the negativity, all the toxicity, but you're not able to do that. You're taking baby steps even, but people are seeing you in a different light right now. People are thinking that you're rude or you're arrogant or you are not able to, cope up with the situation right now. Whatever it is, this is some kind of negativity around you. Cool, got it. Okay, let's see, Capricorn, what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Ten of Cups. This person definitely wants to get married to you in the future because they feel like you are a family, you are their spouse, or you could be the mother of their kids, or you could be the father of their kids. Whatever it is, they feel very very happy with you. They feel like you are their committed connection, you are their long-term partner, you are their happiness. They feel like this about you, about this connection with you. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Now I can see that this person is celebrating this thought that they are going to get married to you in the future. They have taken a decision and they are just waiting for the right time. Okay, let me clarify the Ten of Cups as the feelings for you. Four of Cups and Queen of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. This person was really really confused in the recent past regarding this particular connection with you, regarding this particular situationship with you, or you can say whatever you guys, it might be you guys were in a friends with benefits kind of connection, or you guys were not talking to each other, or you guys were feeling like you guys are not compatible with each other. Whatever the case was, this guy or this girl was really confused about this connection in the recent past. Now they have realized that you are their family. Now they have realized that you are their love and you are the love of their life. Let me adjust the light, yes. Now they have realized that you are the love of their life. They want to restart. They want to offer you this. They want to offer you this happy family, happy companionship and long-term committed relationship. They feel like this, okay? I'm not saying that they are going to do this. They feel like this. This is their feelings for you. They feel like you should be their spouse. You should be their long-term committed partner. They feel like you are their happiness. Nice. Let me see what this person wants from you, Capricorn. Two of Wands. This person wants you to decide, take a decision. Two of Wands. This person wants you to take a decision regarding this connection. Because we are doing a love reading, so this is particularly a decision that they want you to take about the love or the situation between you guys for this connection. This person just wants you to take a decision and stick to that. This person wants you to wait. It could also mean that this person wants you to wait for the right time. Okay, they just don't want you they just don't want you to go away with somebody or look for options or something like that. They just want you to wait for the right time for things to unfold. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. Six of Cups and the Devil again and the Knight of Swords. What is happening? What is happening with this Devil card? It's coming again and again in your connection, in your energy. What is happening? So I feel like this person wants to restore the connection as it was in the past, and they want to cut out the negativity, cut out the toxicity. And if there is a third party situation here, by any means, by any chance, this person wants to cut that third party situation, the toxicity, the negativity, or whatever it is, companionship, a negative companionship, or addictiveness, whatever it is, the negativity, whatever it is, they just want to cut that. They want to restore this connection as it was in the past, and they just want you to wait for this restoration for time, for the time till it becomes the same as it was. They just want you to wait for till that time, okay? And they just want you to take a decision regarding this connection, that you are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy to make this connection as it was in the past. Beautiful connection it was, sweet memories. So this person basically wants to cut out all the negativity, all the toxicity, and if there is a third party situation here, they just want to cut that out as well. They want you to work on this connection with them and just wait for them. Just wait for them. This is the correct word, I think. Okay, let me see what is coming towards you till the end of October, Capricorn. Five of Pentacles. Okay. I think this is not the right time for you guys to connect with each other. So either you are walking away from this particular person or they are walking away from you. There is a certain energy of walking away from somebody. Five of Pentacles. This is energy of loss, sadness, regret, and depression, you can say. I don't want to say these words, but I am never going to lie just because I want to sugarcoat things and all that. No. Either you are walking away or they are walking away. I don't know. One person is not at all happy here. And I feel like you are the person. You are that person who is not happy here, and you are trying to walk away. I feel like you will try to move on from this connection, and you will try to just walk away because you are feeling betrayed, backstabbed, or some kind of negative energy here. Let me clarify. It could also mean like this person was having some kind of connection with somebody else as well, and that was making you feel like hell, and that's why you tried to move on. And right now also you're trying to move on. I don't know what is happening, but this is moving on energy, and this is walking away energy. Queen of Pentacles, healing energy. Three of definitely this is you, Capricorn. You are healing from certain kind of trauma, or certain kind of hurt, or certain kind of disappointment because of this particular person. You are turning your back towards them. You are just walking away. And you are trying to just relax and calm down and see the perspective, see the world from a different point of view. You are trying your best to take spiritual help, to grow, to heal. Now I'm 100% sure, if this story is resonating with you till this part, the part which I'm telling you right now, this outcome is also resonating with you, and you are trying to move on because you are feeling like this person betrayed you because of somebody else. This person did something really wrong with you. That's why you are just healing from this process. You're just trying to move on from this process, and you are just trying to look at the world with a different point of view, or with a different perspective. You are trying to seek help from the universe. Okay, cool, Capricorn. This is what is happening with you guys till end of October. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.